बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं हम 10th क्लास के फिज़िक्स का चैप्टर नंबर 15 इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म पढ़ रहे हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है 15.4 डीसी मोटर। यह टॉपिक लॉन्ग के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। क्वेश्चन आपको पेपर में इस तरह आ सकता है, राइट अ नोट ऑन डीसी मोटर। इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे, द सिंपल कॉइल प्लेस्ड इन अ मैग्नेट cannot rotate more than 90 degree to increasing the area of coil तक। सबसे पहले हमारे पास है वर्किंग ऑफ डीसी मोटर जो कि स्टार्ट हो रही है। द सिंपल कॉइल प्लेस्ड इन अ मैग्नेट से लेके स्प्लिट रिंग कम्यूटेटर तक। नेक्स्ट इज द वर्किंग ऑफ ब्रशेस एंड कम्यूटेटर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम brushes which are usually pieces of graphite to the magnetic field continuously. Next one is the definition of electric motor, that is, which is a device that converts electric energy into rotational kinetic energy is called electric motor. Next one question is, what is armature? In a practical electric motor, the coil called armature is made up of many loops mounted on a shaft or axle. यहाँ तक आप इसकी डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे। Next one is the definition of field coil. That start from the magnetic field is produced either by permanent magnet or by an electromagnet called the field coil. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Next one is the what is the speed of motor? The torque on the armature, and as a result the speed of motor is controlled by varying the current through the motor. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Next one is the short question. The force acting on the armature can be increased by the following factor. First one is increasing the number of turns of the coil. Second one is increasing the current in the coil. Third one is increasing the strength of magnetic field. And the fourth one is increasing the area of coil. इस टॉपिक की फर्स्ट लाइन में हमारे पास MCQ है। The simple coil placed in a magnet cannot rotate more than 90 degree. Next one is the side block, जो कि आपको short question में पूछा जा सकता है। The question is, what is the principle of bank credit cards? The answer starts from bank credit cards have a magnet strip engraved on them. On these strips, account information of the users are stored, which are read by the ATM machine. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन इज द साइड ब्लॉक। द क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट डज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस शो? द आंसर इज, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस helps to visualize the magnitude and direction of magnetic field vectors just as electric field lines do for the magnitude and direction of E. Next one topic is 15.5 electromagnetic induction. This is very important question for the long, and the question is, explain the electromagnetic induction. इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे हैंस क्रिश्चियन से लेके electromagnetic induction की definition तक। First one short question of this topic is, what is the working of Hans Christian and Ampere about the electric current? Hans Christian, Prestige and Ampere discovered that an electric current, a conductor, produces a magnetic field around it. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। The statement of Michael Faraday is that a magnetic field must produce an electric current. ये आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछा जा सकता है। Faraday found that he could induce electric current by moving wire through a magnetic field. What is the working of Joseph Henry? Joseph Henry also showed that a changing magnetic field could produce electric current. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। Now we shall discuss the Faraday experiment for the production of EMF in the magnetic field. Next short question is, what do you know about the strength of magnetic field? The answer is, the strength of magnetic field is defined as the number of magnetic lines of force passing through any surface. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन इज, व्हेन द मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्सेस इज मैक्सिमम, द नंबर ऑफ लाइंस ऑफ फोर्स इज मैक्सिमम when the surface is held perpendicular to the magnetic lines of forces, and when these lines will be minimum. It will be minimum when the surface is held parallel to the magnetic lines of forces. Next question is, what happens if the coil is far away from the magnet? The answer is, if the coil is far away from the magnet, only few lines of force will pass through the coil. And next question is, what happens when the coil is close to the magnet? The answer is, if the coil is close to the magnet, a large number of lines of force will pass through it. Next question is, what happens if we change the number of magnetic field lines? The answer is, we can change the number of magnetic lines of forces through a coil by moving it in the magnetic field. This change in the number of magnetic field lines will induce an EMF in the coil. This is the basic principle of the production of electricity. Next one is the side block, important for MCQ and short question. The question is, what is the working of Joseph Henry and the Michael Faraday? The answer is, Joseph Henry had observed an induced current before Faraday, but Faraday published his results first and investigated the subject in more detail. यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. कंप्लीट एक्टिविटी भी आप इस लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन के अंदर लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन, जो कि आपसे शॉर्ट में पूछी जा सकती है. The process of generating an induced current in a circuit by changing the number of magnetic lines of force passing through it is called the electromagnetic induction. Next one, activity is also a long question. The question is, explain electromagnetic induction by an experiment of solenoid. इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे, one of the Faraday's experiments in which current is induced by moving से लेके is called electromagnetic induction तक. Next one is the statement of the next one. Blue block is also a short question. The question is, state Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. The answer is, the value of induced EMF in a circuit directly proportional to the rate of change of number of magnetic lines of force through it. Next one is the factor affecting by induced EMF. It is also important short question. The magnitude of induced EMF in a circuit depends on the following factors. First one is speed of relative motion of the coil and the magnet, and the second one is the number of turns of coils. यहाँ तक आप इसके complete factors लिखेंगे. Next one topic is 15.6 direction of induced EMF, Lenz's law. ये क्वेश्चन आपको लॉन्ग में पूछा जा सकता है और ये बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपको इस तरह आ सकता है, स्टेट एंड एक्सप्लेन्स लेंज़ लॉ. इसका आंसर आप लिखेंगे, लेंज़ डिवाइस्ड अ रूल से लेके इसकी डेफिनेशन तक. फर्स्ट लाइन में हमारे पास MCQ मौजूद है. लेंज़ डिवाइस्ड अ रूल टू फाइंड आउट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट induced in a circuit. Next activity आप इसके लॉन्ग में लिखेंगे. Next one short question is the statement of Lenz's law. The direction of an induced current in a circuit always such that it opposes the cause that produces it. यहाँ तक आप इसकी स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे और ये शॉर्ट में आपसे पूछी जा सकती है. In last paragraph there is also a question. The question is, explain that Lenz's law is a manifestation of the law of conservation of energy. The answer starts from, if we apply the law of conservation of energy to the electromagnetic induction tool of the law of conservation of energy. यहाँ तक आप complete paragraph इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. Okay students, inshallah we will meet in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.